Horses out here, but right here, right now, best to begin, Lealtad, moving up on the outside, Scotland Yard, alongside Gas Tambide, then comes Storm Gas, Ali Anonymous, second last, and he's the man, he's the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Lealtad, and Scotland Yard, fighting it out for the lead, 4 lengths, watching in third, is right here, right now, alongside Port Gas Tambide, then comes Storm Gas, Ali Anonymous, and he's the man, trails the field by about 13 to 14 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, Lealtad, then Scotland Yard fighting it out for the lead. Then here comes right here, right now, trying to get closer in third, Gas Tambide in fourth. Then followed by entry number 3, Storm Gas, Ali as they come down at the last 150. Lealtad still in front, moving up right here, right now, Gas Tambide as they come down at the last 100. It's now right here, right now, by Oraline Canehapa. Lealtad moving up, Gas Tambide, Scotland Yard is running by Drell. Last 75 meters, we have right here, right now, and finally, right here, right now, Gas Tambide, Lealtad, then comes Scotland Yard, and number 3 is Storm Gas.
2756-3, Pampenta.